If you want a simpler gallery app to replace Google Photos, here are the 8 best Google Photos alternatives you can use on your Android or iOS device. Top 1. Icon Assistant for Android. If you are finding a PC-based Android photo management tool to manage, backup, transfer, and delete the photos on your Android phones or tablets, Icon Assistant for Android would be your best bet. It is a full-featured Android photo manager. How to back up photos to computer with Assistant for Android. Connect your Android phone to the computer via USB cable. Choose the Photos tab from the left menu and click Camera or Library. Hit the Export button from the top to save the chosen photos to the computer. Top 2. Amazon Photos. If what you want is a truly unlimited storage location, then Amazon Photos is a good alternative. Top 3. Dropbox. Dropbox is another one of the most popular cloud storage services. If configured properly, it can be used as an excellent Google Photos replacement. Top 4. Flickr. Although Flickr is little known, it has been around for a long time. Once owned by Yahoo, its sales target is mainly professional and amateur photographers. Top 5. Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is one of the excellent apps like Google Photos. It is the standard configuration of Office 365 subscriptions for many enterprises and schools. You can use OneDrive on all devices to back up your photos and other files. Top 6. Apple iCloud. If you are using an iPhone, then you must be familiar with iCloud. It is a powerful cloud storage service that comes with Apple devices. It can automatically run on Apple devices without requiring you to perform any operations. Top 7. Pawigo. Pawigo is one of the best alternatives for Google Photos to create a photo gallery on the web. It is an open-source software package, often used as a photo management program for professional photographers and organizations' websites. Top 8. Adobe Creative Cloud Photography. Unlike all the Google Photos alternatives described above, Adobe Creative Cloud Photography is the most industry-standard program.